Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of Europe's most fascinating countries, Sweden. Nestled in northern Europe, Sweden is a Scandinavian gem that borders Norway to the west and Finland to the east, with the Baltic Sea wrapping around its long, scenic coast. It's the third largest country in the European Union by area, stretching approximately 1,600 kilometers from north to south, and its landscape is nothing short of magical, dotted with thousands of islands and skerries. Imagine this: nearly 100,000 lakes shimmer across the country, and about 65% of Sweden is blanketed in deep, pristine forest, making it a haven for nature lovers. The capital city, Stockholm, is itself built across 14 islands and connected by 57 bridges, earning it the nickname the Venice of the North. Politically, Sweden is a constitutional monarchy with a parliamentary democracy, and economically, it's known for its strong welfare system, world-class innovation, and big-name companies like IKEA, Volvo, and Spotify. And here's where things get truly mind-blowing. During the summer months in the north, the midnight sun means the sun doesn't set for weeks, literally weeks without darkness. Sweden is also the birthplace of the Nobel Prize, one of the most prestigious awards in the world, first established by Alfred Nobel in 1895. And get this, the country is home to the world's largest scale model of the solar system, stretching across the entire nation with the Ericsson globe in Stockholm representing the sun. With its mix of natural beauty, scientific legacy, and social progress, Sweden isn't just a country, it's an experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more amazing stories from around the world.